Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna make steak. Actually, I will start with marinating that steak. It's gonna be really simple and easy. النهاردة إن شاء الله هنعمل ستيك اللحمة. ودلوقتي المرحلة الأولانية في العملية بتاعة الستيك إن أنا هحضر زي الخلطة أو المارينيشن بتاع الستيك. Alright, so we've got about a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper, معلقة ملح ومعلقة فلفل اسود صغيرة، about a teaspoon of rosemary, dried one. I think is much better to use fresh rosemary, but unfortunately I couldn't find today. نقدر نستخدم كمان rosemary فريش يكون افضل، بس ده dried نقدر نستخدمه برضه. And we also have got olive oil and our steak here. It's a nice and tender beef steak. I've got 2 pieces. دي قطعة اللحم بتاعتنا، طبعا بتروح للجزار بتطلب منه لحمة ستيك، المفروض انها تبقى طرية جدا. Here we've got it. Perfect. So how to do that? You must do it with love and passion. First of all, we're gonna add our olive oil on one side. And just massage it, you know. ندعكها بالراحة كده كأننا بنعمل مساج للحمة بتاعتنا. A bit here also. Just move it back and forth. Massage it, you know. Be gentle and nice, please. Okay. A little bit of those. Here also. And massage it too. The same here. برضو افرك الملح والفلفل في اللحمة. Very well. Got more salt here. Do it. Don't forget to wear your gloves so that you don't spread bacteria around. ليش تنسى الجوانتي بتاعك عشان البكتيريا ما تنتشرش. The same will be done here. I forgot to move that one. It's alright. محصلش مشكلة. Just move it everywhere. Olive oil. It's really nice and delicate. Salt and pepper. The same. نفس الكلام هنعمله هنا. I'm gonna add a little bit of this rosemary. Spread it around. The other side. And then just a bit of lemon juice. The other side. Half a lemon. Some people love to add garlic. في ناس بتحب تضيف الثوم بس أنا بحب أضيفه خلال عملية الطهي. We're gonna start making the steak. Be sure that your pan is very hot. لازم لما نعمل الستيك يكون درجة الحرارة عالية جدا بتاعت الحلة اللي احنا هنعمل فيها الستيك. Gonna add one piece. A little bit garlic. And add the other piece. In the meantime, we'll do our sauce in here. نفس ذات الوقت هنعمل الصوص بتاعنا هنا. About 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then we're gonna add the mushroom and this is mushroom. And we leave that for about 10 minutes, and then we change it to the other side. Add about 120 grams of butter. It's gonna melt. Add some tomatoes. And mix it. A little bit of red vinegar. And take it on the other side. And now our steak is almost ready to serve. الستيك بتاعنا خلاص جاهز دلوقتي ان احنا نحطه في الطبق ان شاء الله. And here is our steak is ready with the sauce. Thank you very much for watching. دلوقتي الستيك بتاعنا جاهز ومع الصوص. شكرا جزيلا على متابعتكم. Do not forget please you subscribe, like and share. ما تنسوش لو سمحتوا اللايك والشير والسبسكرايب طبعا لو الفيديو عجبكم. شكرا جزيلا.
Bye.